5 Reason why newborn babies cry overnight and how to soothe them. The average newborn cries between 2 and 3 hours per day. While a bawling baby may seem normal to parents as well as infants, it can be distressing to them. Babies sometimes wail for no obvious reason. But other times, they're trying to tell you something with their tears. With a bit of common sense and sleuthing, you may be able to figure out how to comfort your baby. 1. Hunger. In the first 3 months of their lives, newborns tend to feed every couple of hours. They typically make short, rising and falling cries when they want to feed. How to soothe hunger. Offer your breast or the bottle to see if it helps. Even if they're not hungry, your infant may just want to suck on something for comfort. You can use a pacifier or have your baby suck on their own finger or thumb. 2. Fatigue. Unlike most adults, babies who are overworked or tired often turn fussy instead of drifting off to sleep. How to soothe fatigue. One of the best ways to encourage slumber is to swaddle your baby. Wrap them snugly in a blanket with only the head and neck peeking out. It helps mimic the mother's womb. A change of scenery also may do the trick. Go for a walk with a stroller. Or pack your baby in a car seat, the lulling vibration of the car may get them to drift off. 3. Allergies. What a nursing mother eats may be passed on through breast milk. This can upset the stomach of a baby. If it happens a lot, your infant may be allergic or sensitive to cow's milk, nuts, wheat, or other foods. How to soothe allergies. If you think your baby has a food allergy, talk to your pediatrician. If you're breastfeeding, your doctor may suggest you stop eating a single food, for example, milk or eggs, for a week to see if your baby's fussiness lessens. If you're using infant formula, ask your doctor about switching to a different formula. 4. Sleep habits. Your child should be able to sleep on their own by the age of 6 months. However, sometimes they might not want to go to bed without you. Even after they've established a sleep schedule, they may have trouble falling asleep if they're sick or there are changes at home. How to soothe sleep habits. Don't feel guilty for ignoring your baby's wail. Research shows that slowly letting your child cry out for longer and longer stretches of time before you check on them helps them learn to go to sleep faster and stay asleep longer than other methods. 5. Reflux. It could be a sign of heartburn if your baby is crying immediately after a feeding. But first, if your baby is bottled fed, make sure that the discomfort isn't just from swallowed air. How to soothe reflux. During meals, take frequent breaks and burp your baby. Make sure they eat while seated. Try special nipples and bottles designed to prevent swallowing too much air. If that doesn't help, reflux may be the problem. Consult your pediatrician. About 80% of the time, babies with mild reflux get better with thickened formula, staying away from cigarette smoke, and getting older. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.